Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. Today we install some lights in the Hutch, so stay tuned and come check it out with me. This kit retails on Amazon for about $51 shipped. I'm going to mount the rest of these up on the top half here. I'm not going to bore you guys with that whole procedure because it's pretty straightforward. I've also gotten kind of green cable protector to go over the black so it kind of matches the green of the box and cleans it up. That just hasn't come in yet. I guess because of the weather here, some of the shipments from Amazon have gotten kind of back ordered, but it should be here by next week, so we'll get it all squared away. So I'm gonna get that stuff mounted and then we'll get back to you and we'll take a total kind of view of the new lighting system for the 12-volt 72-inch toolbox in Hutch. Like I said, it also comes with a dimmer switch and the power cord. So that's the light from the outside so far. And then I had gotten a 72-inch power strip, which I should have measured beforehand because it doesn't quite fit. So I'm gonna have to do something else on the inside. But for right now, this really saves me a lot of room inside. I can mount different things on the back and have different power cords coming out the back. But for right now, this is going to work and it's going to be good for my application. And this is the last part of that kit, is just the the power cord. Okay, so here's it with the lights off. You can see mounted the switch over here. Everything's tucked nice and good. Can't really tell. I'm gonna make some kind of like some baffles that go across here to hide the lights. We'll turn them on in a minute and check it out, but I wanted to show you around the back. So I have my power strip. I have a cord for it about halfway because I figure for right now I'll be running my cords out from the back and have my chargers out front and have them plugged out back for drills and other things that I have. So right here's the power switch. Look at this thing. This is the lowest, right about here is the lowest setting. As you can see, I have them ran across the back because the Hutch top closes too far in, so I couldn't have them sitting on the top. So you can see the wire going along the back side here. What I'm going to do is I have on order some wire cover for that. And then you can see on the bottom side, it comes up and the lights go over to the opposite side. So it's going to cover all that that wiring up and make it, kind of congruent and all green. But we'll get you set up kind of like this. And I'll adjust the dimness and the brightness. And that's how bright it gets in there if you wanted it to be. So overall install, anybody could do this and it comes out really nice. It just takes your time and kind of like your sweat equity to figure out how you want it to look. For right now, I just have the power strip with double-sided tape on the back. I have it run the full way on the bottom and then sections on the top side of it. We'll see if it holds right now. For the power cord, I have it zip tied to one of the handles, so it relieves all the pressure of the 15-foot cable, which is plugged into the wall. So brothers, I hope you liked this video. It was a quick little setup. It probably took me about an hour and a half to get everything situated and wired the way I wanted it to. I have it laid out perfectly right now. I'm going to have to cover up some of the wires to make it look the way I want it, just to appease, I like to do things a certain way and make them look a certain way. So overall I have $50 into the lights, and then I believe just under $50 for the power strip, which I might be getting a different power strip for the inside here as well to have higher up. But for right now, that one's going to work perfectly on the back. The double-sided tape might not work out. I might have to figure out something a little bit different. But for right now, it's really doing the job, and I can't believe the difference in the amount of light in here. Before, it was a lot darker in here, and I'd have to kind of mount a light someplace to kind of get the lighting feature that I wanted. But this is, I can't even believe how nice this is. But as always, you know what it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew signing out. Have a great day, brothers. and do something productive. Also, check out the hashtag Marco Tools giveaway that's going on. Russ Navarra and Justin ATV are the first two contestants in that series. Go and subscribe to each of their channels, like the videos, and you're entered to win on their live feed. You don't have to be there. All the rules are on their two channels. If you just research that hashtag, it should come up. So as always, have a great day.